In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade prop firms directly on TradingView. By the end, you'll be placing and managing orders right from your chart, using the broker connection your prop firm supports. First, open a chart in TradingView and head to the bottom of the screen. You'll see a tab labeled Trading Panel. Click it to reveal the list of supported brokers and platforms. This is the central hub that links your chart to the prop firm's trading environment. Next, choose the connection that matches what your prop firm uses. If you're trading futures, select Tradevate or Trader 8, since these are commonly supported for futures flow. If you trade forex or CFDs, pick TradeLocker, which many modern prop firms use. And if your firm is set up through a standard broker, like Owanda or Interactive Brokers, go ahead and select that provider instead. The choice here needs to match the broker infrastructure your firm gave you access to, so if you're unsure, quickly confirm that with your firm's documentation. Now, log in using the credentials issued by your prop firm. Keep those details secure and enter them exactly as provided. You might see a prompt to authorize the connection or verify your identity. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the login. After you're in, select the correct account type. Many prop firm accounts, even funded ones, appear as demo within the broker's system. That's normal. Choose the demo or live opt option exactly as specified by your firm so your trades route to the right account. Double-check the account name or number to be sure you're connected to the intended one before proceeding. Once connected, look for a green light or status indicator inside the trading panel. That green light confirms everything is live and ready. From here, you can trade directly on the chart. Place entries by clicking or dragging at your desired price level. Then adjust your stop loss and take profit lines visually to lock in your risk and targets. You can modify orders by dragging them up or down and cancel them right from the chart if needed. This workflow keeps everything in one place, making it fast to react while still seeing the market structure. A few practical tips as you trade from the chart. Confirm you're on the correct symbol and contract your prop account supports, and glance at your position size to ensure it aligns with your firm's rules. If the connection doesn't turn green, revisit the broker selection and your login details. That's it. You've connected your prop firm to TradingView, and you're ready to trade directly from your chart with confidence.